In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the text not found issue and many other issues that you might encounter whilst uploading your designs to Amazon Merch. The first thing you need to do is install Productor for Merch by Amazon. This is a completely free browser extension and I will leave a link to it in the description. So in my case, it doesn't actually say text not found because I haven't had this error in a long while, but it also works when you've got the whirling thing where you've uploaded a design, but it just keeps whirling and doesn't finish the upload. There's multiple different errors that this Productor tool can fix. And all you have to do literally is click this hammer symbol right here, fix MBA issue, text not found. You click this, you refresh the page, and then everything should work as usual. If it doesn't, then it might be an issue with either Merch by Amazon completely being down for everyone, right? Their service being down, or your internet connection might be messing up. But I'm guessing if you're watching this video, that's not the case. So hope this helps you. It's helped me many times in the past, and I always get questions where this fix button can solve the issue. If you want to learn how to use Productor to actually change the prices of your listings in bulk, make sure to check out this video next. It's a massive time saver.